We want to discuss the attire for special community events, or rather for specific community gatherings and events. What people wear at these gatherings can be very specific or special. The following are some of the attires worn at different gatherings. Number one, if it is a field day. So we have a gathering called a field day. People wear formal clothes for this special day. They dress neatly because there will be important guests attending. Ngatiti ishe ari kuuya kudunhu renyu, ishe wenzvimbo, mambo wenzvimbo. That's a field day. People will be dressing in formal clothing. So people dress in formal clothing. And why is it so? Because people dress in formal clothing because there will be important guests attending. Pane vanhu vanokudzwa vanoremekedzwa vari kuuya. Saka kuti tinyatsokuvaremekedza tichivapa remekedzo yakavafanira, we have to dress in formal clothing. You get it? Okay. Cultural festivals. Saka before we go there, this is an example of a field day. You can see our mothers and fathers, the elderly, men and women, they are dressed in formal clothing. They are really neatly dressed. You can see it in this picture. Let us go to cultural festivals. If there is a cultural festival, people should dress in cultural attire. During festivals, people often wear traditional attire. So here they have to wear what is called traditional attire. So do you know our traditional attire? Ours is nembe neshashiko. The attire which is worn whilst we are playing a traditional dance, that is our traditional attire, is the Shona people. The Ndebele also have similarly or similar traditional attires. For example, women might wear cultural dresses while men wear shirts with cultural designs. So this is an example. Mukurangara iya yataiti African attire. Example ye cultural attire, or we can have atinoti mazambia aya. They are colorful, they are floral like this. So it's either you are wearing traditional attire like the attire worn by our ancestors Nembe Shashiko, or you are wearing modernized African attire like African attire is an example of a traditional attire, or Makamonera Zambia, that's also an example. Then when we go to number 3 is talking about sports, galas and matches. Saka kana tichienda kumatch Dimbare versus Kepekepe, kana uchisapota Dimbare unoenda wakarovera jezi rako reDimbare, and kana uchisapota Kepizha Kepekepe, Captain Britain unoenda wakarova attire yako ye Caps United. So at sports events, fans usually wear their team's colors or jerseys. This shows support for their favorite team and creates a fun atmosphere. So sports galas and matches, we have fans wearing their team colors or jerseys. That is what happens. Okay, let us look at this activity 3.3. Have students dress up in traditional attire for a specific gathering and explain to the class what event they are representing and why they choose that outfit. So this can be done in a class setup where maybe during a civics day you add fun to it and you say come wearing traditional attire or come wearing some form of attire. Then you would quiz or ask the students to explain to the class what they are representing and why they chose that outfit. Exercise 3.3. So let us help each other with exercise 3.3. It's asking number 1, define attire. So what is an attire? We can define an attire as specific clothing worn for specific events. That's simply the definition of an attire. Hembe dzatinopfeka kana tichienda to a certain event. Tikuenda kuchurch, we might wear formal depending on our denomination. If we belong to either the Sengwayo Church or we belong to the Watchtower Church and other churches where it is more like a law to wear formal clothing while going there. Going to a wedding, going to a field day, going to a funeral, most people believe they should be wearing black, etc. That's an attire. Then number 2, what shows people support for their sports team? Name one thing. So wearing their team's jerseys. Unosupporta Barcelona, saka unoenda ku a game of Barcelona in Spain wakapfeka jersey number 10 ra Lamine Yamal, for example, or wakapfeka number 2 ra Sergio Ramos raipfeka ari ku Real Madrid. And saka to celebrate one's team, people usually wear their team's jerseys. That's it. So that's it for exercise 3.3.